Orayı kapat da.
Thank you very much, my brother. Firstly, I am thank you thank you for organizing this webinar. Assalamu alaikum, all of the participants. Today I presented of my laboratory and my university, and in my research, also in my research area. I talk about this in this presentation. My name is Fethi Ahmet Ozdemir from Turkey, Bengal University, Faculty of Science and Art, Department of Molecular Biology and Genetics. I have got 3 laboratory in my university. First laboratory about related with the plant tissue culture laboratory. We study in this laboratory medicinal and aromatic plant production, also endemic plant production, micropropagation, suspension culture, callus culture, increase of the secondary metabolite, use of this method, and haploid plant production of gene transfer method. We can commonly use of this laboratory micropropagation of endemic and specially medicinal plant. I completed of the 6 MA thesis about Altea, Salvia, Ferula, Inula, and other endemic plant growth in the Turkey. We firstly increase of the secondary metabolite by callus. We use of the callus culture and increase of the secondary metabolite by using the elicitor. After that, we obtain of the methanol extract in this laboratory. The use of many organic and other extraction techniques. SOX-led evaporation, maceration, and other extraction technique commonly used in this laboratory. Also, we after that propagated or increase of the secondary metabolite and obtain of the extraction. Second laboratory, microbiology laboratory. We study of this laboratory antimicrobial activity and production of the microorganism. We have got a lot of the microorganism, gram-negative bacteria, gram-positive bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms like Candida albicans, Candida tropicalis, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and other microorganisms. We commonly use of this microbiology laboratory for antimicrobial activity and other microbiological studies. My student have got 3 PhD students, finish of the PhD thesis. One student of nearly, I think that finish of the PhD thesis. After that, we can obtain of the result of the antimicrobial activities in the extracted and first laboratory. We obtain of the first laboratory. We use of the second laboratory, microbiology laboratory, use for antimicrobial activities. Third laboratory, cancer research laboratory. We study of this in this laboratory about the cancer activities. We have got many cancer cell line. Cancer cell line. We use of this cancer cell line for investigation of the anti-cancer study. We have got a lung cancer, prostate cancer, colon cancer, and breast cancer cell line. We not only have got of the cancer cell line, also we have got a good healthy cell line like a MRC 5 cancer cell line. This we use this cell for negative control about anti-cancer activities. Obtain of the extracted in the first laboratory, we use on the third laboratory, cancer research laboratory, use of this extraction for investigation of anti-cancer activities. Firstly, we insert in the well-plate cell line in medium, like DMF, DMF12 and RPMI in vitro medium. Cell proliferation measured of the microscopic techniques. After that, we obtain of the extracted, use it in this cancer cell line, incubated of 1 day in carbon dioxide incubator. After that, we use of the VST1 kit about measure of the diet, how much diet of the cancer cell. Also, ELISA reader measure of the cancer cell line, diet of the cancer cell line. Also, I said about this presentation for researcher and student scholarship. Turkish Council of Higher Education supported of researcher and students about scholarship in Pakistan of other country. Give of the scholarship, you can search about this scholarship High Council Education web page in Turkey. Scholarship supported by TÜBİTAK. TÜBİTAK also supported in researcher and student about the scholarship. One student of the Qadi Azam University use of this scholarship and visited in my university and stay 1 year and search about cancer. Search about cancer research laboratory. Use of my laboratory, cancer research laboratory, and obtain of the many good result about for PhD thesis. We completed of the him thesis and come back your country, but I need also I want that study of the my brother Dr. Akram students. I invite all of the Dr. Akram students my laboratory. Also, I said about the Mevlana and Erasmus Plus exchange program. Mevlana exchange program supported my government by scholarship give of the huge amount. Researcher and students follow of this web page and obtain this web page and take of the scholarship. Mevlana exchange program with collaboration many times in 3 years. Students come and visit and stay 6 months or 1 year and use of the my laboratory, not problem. Erasmus Plus program. This program supported by the European Union because Turkey supported of this program and give of the huge amount of money this program. Also, my university use of this program Erasmus Plus program for exchange. This program supported by researcher and students about scholarship. Also, we have got one student from Lithuania. This student come and visit in my university and study in my laboratory. In cancer research laboratory, study in 6 months and come back of the country. Every time my laboratory open of my brother Dr. Akram students and also for Dr. Akram. Thank you very much for listen me.